Everyone, it's Craig with Farm Industries again. This is another machine. I want to talk a little bit about our YCM and why we have this machine, what benefits our customer with it. A couple of things that benefits our customer here is one, we have a long table here. We can put one part in and catch the whole table there, so we're really saving a setup. So if the part's more than your typical machine, you're going to get more 40 inches in it. This machine here is 2 meters long, so it gives you essentially two tables in one. So we can set it up there. Another good feature of this machine is like with the VX1000 that we're showcasing as well, multi-stage setup here. So on this table here, I have 4 vices here, and I got 4 different parts that can be set up on that table in one shot that are larger in size as well. So again, we can get essentially as many operations as it takes to get the job done.